Hello, viewers of all kind. Today we're going to be doing a series called Battle of the Themes, where basically we do battles between bays who have similar themes. As for example, today we're going to be doing birds. That includes Burn Phoenix, Earth Eagle, and Crease Cygnus, as they all share the bird theme. We are going to be doing first to three, and my bet's on Crease Cygnus personally, as it's a 4D bay, has more weight and probably more stamina. I say next who has a chance would probably be Earth Eagle. Good defense, good stamina, all around, top tier Beyblade. And then next is Burn Phoenix, because, well, while it has great stamina, going up against two Beyblades is kind of hard. Alright, let's get this battle started. We're gonna start with Crease Cygnus, as I think it has the most stamina. Probably, we're gonna start with Burn Phoenix next, and then Earth Eagle. And then we'll rotate the order as, depending on who wins and who loses. So for example, Burn Phoenix has lost, so it will be going last. Some steady hits here, nothing too crazy yet. Looks like Crease Cygnus is wobbling. Makes sense because I did spin it first. But can it hold out? And that is a no. Alright, so Crease Cygnus will be spun second, and our winner is Earth Eagle for the first round. This thing is pretty good, and it's purple, so honestly I'm kind of rooting it for it now. I changed sides. So first Earth Eagle, next Crease Cygnus, and then lastly Burn Phoenix. And it's knocked out again. Poor Phoenix. I guess I changed sides for a reason. It is not looking good for Phoenix here. I bet it's gonna come down to these two almost every time. This looks pretty close. Can Earth Eagle win? Yeah, I think that's a tie. Wow. That looked too, yeah, that was way too close. I'm gonna just call it a tie. So now we're gonna be starting with Earth Eagle again, then Crease Cygnus, and then Burn Phoenix. Same rotation as last time, even though it ended in a tie. Burn Phoenix, please. Stop getting knocked out. Yeah, it's just, that's the thing with stamina types, or most of them at least. No defense, all stamina. which is why Phantom Orion is so powerful. You have a stamina type, good defense, and it's chilling. Alright, Earth Eagle wins another round. That is now 2, with everyone else having no points yet. Wow. Will Earth Eagle have a clean sweep? If Burn Phoenix can just not get knocked out, it has a chance to win. Especially since it was spun last and it has good stamina. It should outlast everyone. Crease looks like it's going to be the first to go. Yep, out and followed by Earth Eagle. Earth Eagle. Wow, I cannot pronounce that word too well. But Burn Phoenix has a point now. About time. But that means it will be spun first, so that puts that at a disadvantage again. They are just dancing around each other, going in for hits, leaving, coming back for more. I'm like, Burn Phoenix, don't get stuck in the middle, please. That is the last thing you need right now. I find myself cheering for it again for some reason. Oh, I like the root for the underdog. Crease Cygnus is out. Again, followed by Earth Eagle. Oh, wow. Oh, so it did win. Alright. Burn Phoenix with another point. That makes Earth Eagle with 2 and Burn Phoenix with 2. Where's Crease Cygnus at? Like, it has no points yet. Crease Cygnus get a win. Now I gotta root for that one. That is a mislaunch. As it is spun last, it should stand a chance here. I feel like if you get stuck in the middle, you have like less of a chance at winning. Yours is coming second every time. Oh wow, okay, so Burn Phoenix lost. And Earth Eagle is also out. So yes, it did get a point. Thank God. So everyone has at least 1 point. But Earth Eagle has 2 still, and I believe Burn Phoenix has 2. Crease Cygnus with 1. If it could last the next round, we can see a final round here. If not, then Earth Eagle and Burn Phoenix win. And as Burn Phoenix was launched last, it has the most chance right now, or the highest chance right now. No Crease Cygnus. It looks like we won't be going to final round. It's out. And it's not looking too good for Earth Eagle. So this is what I get for changing sides. I was rooting for, I forgot who I was rooting for. I think I changed sides like so many times now. Oh man. Oh, you know, at first I was choosing Crease Cygnus and then so and so. But alright, Burn Phoenix does take the win. It has 3 with Earth Eagle 2 and Crease Cygnus 1. Oh, wow. That is going to conclude the end of the video. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I look forward to doing more of these types of videos. I love themes and aesthetic when they're similar. I have no clue which one I'm going to do next, but look out for that. Alright, everyone have a wonderful day, and goodbye.
I feel love affects me in every way. I'm your little jelly bean, yeah. I'm your little jelly bean.